In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Wix to access your dashboard. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser, in this case, Google Chrome. If you're using a different browser, don't worry, these steps will be pretty similar. Once you've got Chrome open, head on over to the address bar at the top of the screen. You're going to type in www.wix.com, that's spelled Wix.com. After you've entered the web address, hit the Enter key on your keyboard and you should find yourself on the Wix homepage in just a few seconds. Now that you're on the Wix website, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You should see a sign in button there. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to the sign in page. Here, you'll need to enter your account information, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. You have two main options to sign in: the traditional way, using your email address and password, or through one of the social login options they provide, such as Facebook or Google. If you're using email and password, type in your email in the first field and your password in the second. Make sure you're typing it in correctly and double check if you're not sure. Passwords are, of course, case sensitive, so pay attention to any uppercase or lowercase letters. Alternatively, if you prefer using a social login, just click on the icon that matches your preferred service, whether it's Facebook or Google. Once you've entered your login information or you've chosen your social account, look for the Login button and give it a click. Within moments, you should be successfully signed into your account. And just like that, you've logged into Wix. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard. This is the control center for managing your sites. If you've created websites before, you'll see them listed here. From this central hub, you can create, edit, and manage all aspects of your Wix sites. Whether you're adjusting settings, adding content, or checking analytics, the dashboard will be your starting point. If it's your first time logging in, Wix may prompt you with a tour or highlight features to help you get started. Take a moment to explore these options. They can offer valuable insights and tips. The key takeaway here is that the dashboard is your main access point for all things Wix. That's it for today's guide on logging into your Wix account. Now you can start managing your websites efficiently and explore Wix's wide array of tools and features. Thanks for joining me in this walkthrough. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to stay updated with more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.